สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Here is krusmuk, your Thai teacher, and welcome back to Banana Thai Language School. You are with me in the episode Read and Write Thai tutorial. I will help you read complicated Thai word and simplify it with the full explanation of the reading and writing rules. And today,ค่ะ, this word. Guess what? How do you read this word? Is it sret or sit or serach? What is it exactly? This word is actually pronounced set คำนี้อ่านว่า set นะคะ set set low tone means finished and the way you use it you use verb plus set for example ฉันกินข้าวเสร็จ I finished eating ฉันเรียนภาษาไทยเสร็จ I finished learning Thai เนาะ so verb plus set but we're not going to talk about how to use this word but how to read and write word. Let's take a look here. This is how exactly the word set is written. So it's quite complicated. So first thing first, I want to help you, classify the component of this word or syllable. It's one syllable though, just set. First thing, find the initial consonant.These two things, สอเสือ and รอเรือ is the initial consonant. Initial consonant. And initial consonant can also be more than one because we call it cluster. Cluster is an initial consonant that have more than one consonant together. It's a cluster of the consonants. So we call it consonant. So สอเสือ and รอเรือ is the initial consonant.Next part ค่ะ vowel. These two are part of the vowel. สระเอะ short sound. Normally it's supposed to write it like this. But because this syllable has จอจาน or has an ending consonant, in this case it's จอจาน ending consonant. Okay? With สระเอะ this is สระเอะ like the word เกะthe word le salae. When there is an ending consonant, doesn't matter what ending consonant. You put the ending consonant here, right? An E from ending consonant. The sara'a kind of scare. It moved up and changed to be mai tai ku. So if you see any word with this and this, it's sara'e with an ending consonant.Okay, so it's a form change. So now as you can see already, the blue one is initial consonant, the red one is vowel, and the green one is ending consonant. So this is the component of this syllable. Next thing I want to show you. This word, even though สอเสือ and รอเรือ is the beginning consonant as a cluster, it is a fake cluster.So if you learn the concept of the cluster from my Ultimate Guide to Thai Reading course, you will know that there are 3 different consonants that can be used in the real cluster, which are รอเรือ ลอลิง and วอแหวน can be clustered together with another initial consonant. However, there is also fake cluster.And the fake cluster are the cluster that you don't pronounce the cluster but only the initial consonant. Take a look here. So if I sayปอปา and รอเรือ this is the real cluster. When you want to pronounce this initial consonant, it would sound like pr, pr. So you pronounce pr, ปอปา and รอเรือ sound together. This is real. Come from this side, only รอเรือ and there are only a few.consonant that can cluster with รอเรือ and become fake, which are จอจาน and รอเรือ This word you don't pronounce จร like the word จริง you don't pronounce จริง you just only pronounce จอจาน sound without the cluster รอเรือ so จริง this is a fake cluster. So จอจาน and รอเรือ is the first one. Next one สอเสือ and รอเรือ also only pronounce sound.สอสารา and รอเรือ as well สอโซ่ and รอเรือ so these are example of the fake cluster so this is fake you don't pronounce. These are real like ปอปลารอเรือลอลิง like the word กอไก่ลอลิงกลับบ้านอย่างเงี้ยใช่ไหมควายคอควายวอแหวนควาย mean buffalo นะ so this is real and this is fake do not pronounce and that's why สอเสือรอเรือ belong to the fake cluster in which you don't pronounce รอเรือ sound but you have to write it and you have to write it when you pronounce it it's only s as an initial how to say beginning consonant so in this case ค่ะ this word it's read set it's pronounced set นะคะ sounds like this yeah just like this with the dodic it's not pronounced set with จอจาน ending consonant จอจาน ending consonant has dodic ending sound so instead of saying set you say said with dodic ending consonant said so to review everything again what you learn from this the first thing is the component of the syllable สอเสือรอเรือ is the initial consonant as a fake cluster you don't pronounce the รอเรือ sound so only sound as initial consonant consonant sound then สระเอะ this is สระเอะไม้ไต่คู is a part of vowel it used to be สระอะ but because it's scared of the ending consonant it moved up to be ไม้ไต่คูนะคะ like the word set the word met เนี่ย this is met สระเอะ sound เนี่ยเอะ now with ending consonant it has to สระอะ move up to be ไม้ไต่คูนะคะ and จอจาน ending consonant doesn't have ending consonant sound but dodic ending consonant sound so this word ค่ะ the word set I want you to practice writing this word the word set in the comment below so you know how to like type it on the keyboard เนาะ in case if you have any question or if you want to know any if you want me to explain or to teach you any other Thai words please also feel free to recommend in the comment as well before you leave please like share and subscribe my Banana Thai channel I hope to see you in the next video I hope this video helps นะคะหวังว่าทุกคนจะสนุกนะคะแล้วก็ได้รับความรู้เข้าใจการอ่านและการเขียนภาษาไทยมากขึ้นเจอกันในวิดีโอหน้านะคะบ๊ายบายค่ะ